Properly doing Uber Eats background check is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, follow local and national laws. Always comply with all applicable laws and regulations regarding background checks in your country and region. Then obtain consent. Inform potential delivery partners about the background check process and obtain their written consent before proceeding. And use a reputable background check provider. Choose an accredited background check provider that adheres to data privacy and security standards. After that, focus on relevant information. Background checks should be tailored to the specific requirements of the delivery partner role and only gather information relevant to the job. Be fair and objective. Conduct the background check fairly and objectively, avoiding any discriminatory practices or biases. Then disclose results only with the individual's consent. Only disclose the results of the background check to the individual and any authorized decision makers with the individual's consent.